You know, aside from, maybe a picture in a box, shoe box somewhere in your attic or your basement, when your granddad or your uncle or someone had this car and they took their, hey, look at your new car picture. These are the last and maybe even in some cases the only pictures of these cars. And as I go through the memories, I have to think, this was once somebody's dream car. Junkyards are full of dream cars. But then that someone's dream car was replaced by another. Maybe it was due to an accident or an upgrade. Whatever the reason, by pure luck or fate, it ended up here. And because of whichever force was involved, each one gives pieces of itself to complete someone else's dream. And when you think about it, it's kind of cool. And for that person that finds that piece, that one piece that they've been searching for sometimes years, but a long time, then they finally get it. It's almost like that part was waiting just for them, waiting to fulfill that one dream, waiting to resurrect that one auto soul.